Assalamu alaikum. Ramadan, the month of fasting, is almost over, and Eid al-fitr, the festival of breaking the fast, is just around the corner. Here's 5 things that you should be doing to make the most of Eid this year. Number 1, prepare yourself in the right way. Start the day by praying Fajr, and after doing that, after waking up properly, make sure that you purify your body with a full ghusl, full body purification, as per the sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. After washing up, make sure to dress up in your finest and nicest clothes, as there are a few hadith that encourage you to wear your finest clothes and to beautify yourself on this day. I'm making this video a few days before Eid has actually begun, that's why I'm still wearing my casual clothes, but make sure you wear something special. Whilst you're dressing yourself up, it's also recommended, as per prophetic hadith and sunnah, to wear your finest perfumes as well. Of course, for Muslim women, it's still important that they obey the rules of hijab when they're going outside, so that they're not showing off their beauty to every Tom, Dick and Harry on the street. And once you're dressed, it's recommended that you have something for breakfast, even if it's just a few dates, as that is the sunnah of our Prophet, peace be upon him. After that, head off to the mosque to pray your Eid prayer. Which brings us on to the second thing that you should do on Eid, which is to attend and pray the Eid prayer. Muslims, especially Muslim men, should make the effort to attend congregational Eid prayer, either in the mosque or in the community. And this is a great opportunity to meet up with the other Muslims in the community and express gratitude towards Allah. Make sure you pay your fitrana or fidya before the prayer starts. That's an obligatory small donation that every member of the household must make. And if a member of the household is unable to pay for themselves, then the guardian of that household should pay for them. In the UK, it's roughly about £5. So try to go to the mosque early, pay your fitrana, sit in the congregation and recite takbir as you wait for the khutbah and prayer to begin. And afterwards, greet all your neighbours and friends in the mosque, say Eid Mubarak to everyone, hug each other, express joy. This is a celebration. My mosque usually gives out like little boxes or little containers of sweets or mithai. So tasty. Make sure you grab one of those. Hopefully your mosque does that as well. The third thing that you need to make sure that you're doing on Eid is to decorate your home and to prepare special food. As Muslims, we should make sure that we're celebrating this occasion, marking it as a special occasion. We should decorate our house. In some Muslim countries, they'll even decorate the streets, and there will be crowd celebrations in the community. But even on an individual household level, I think we should all try and decorate our house, try and make nice food. Make sure that our kids know that we're celebrating a special occasion. Maybe you can even go out to a restaurant for dinner to make sure that your mum's not slaving away all day in the house. I don't think I need to talk much more about this. You've probably already imagined all the sweets and desserts that you're going to scoff and stuff your face with on Eid. Moving on to number 4, which is to connect with your family and friends. Eid is a time for coming together, seeing those relatives that you haven't seen for a while. Part of the celebration is to see those relatives and friends that you don't see too often. Exchange gifts. You can even do a Zoom call if they're too far away. Nowadays everyone's doing a Zoom call, or Microsoft Teams, even better. One of the advantages of going to see family is that usually the elders of the family will gift the younger children money or presents, and I used to always look forward to Eid for that specifically. As a kid, we had a big family, getting loads of money from all the aunties and uncles. You can build up quite a nice nest egg. And then the day after, I used to go out and buy something nice for myself. Of course, that's not the only reason to go see your relatives, but it's a nice bonus. But it's always nice on Eid to catch up with all the relatives that you haven't seen, share stories, share memories, have food together, joke together. It's a great time. And that brings us on to the 5th thing that I want you to do this Eid, which is something that everyone overlooks. No one thinks about this because they're all caught up in the celebration, and we should celebrate. But afterwards, when the day is over, I want you to reflect on the spiritual growth that you've made this month and set some goals based on that. Whatever level of faith you were at, that you were practicing before Ramadan, during Ramadan, if you've been trying to observe it sincerely, you will have made some improvements, whether that's increased recitation of the Quran, whether that's praying your prayers more frequently, whether that's doing or learning more dua, or whether that's just a general improvement in your behavior, being kinder to your parents, helping out more, being more God conscious. Ramadan is that reset that your body, that your spiritual health needs, that your soul cherishes, and it gets you back to your best. And it's so important that we don't let go of that. So it's vital that you set yourself ongoing goals for the rest of the year. Maybe continue that Quran habit that you established. Maybe continue to pray 5 times a day if you weren't doing that before. Maybe start giving charity regularly every month now. Commit to something that is an improvement from where you were before Ramadan. And I promise you, you won't regret it, and inshallah you'll be rewarded for your efforts. But when all is said and done, make sure that you enjoy your Eid celebrations. You deserve it. You've worked hard this Ramadan. You've made massive spiritual progress. You deserve it. My name is Shahrukh. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Watch this video if you're interested in more. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.